Hello friends, I am Dr. Amjad Sheikh. I am a cardiac surgeon in Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, Navi Mumbai. Today I am going to speak about the troponin I test. Nowadays it's a hot topic everywhere on social media. So what is exactly the troponin I? So this is a test carried out to know whether the patient is suffering from heart attack or not. So if we know what is the troponin I, it is basically a protein present in the cardiac muscle. If the cardiac muscle gets damaged, this protein is released inside the blood and we can check that troponin I level inside the blood. If they are raised, we come to know that yes, patient is suffering from the heart attack. So if significance of this test is very high, because whenever any patient who is suffering from chest pain, discomfort, nausea, vomiting, and whenever he is coming to the hospital, we can suspect that patient is having the heart attack or myocardial infarction or ongoing attack. We do generally ECG and we find okay, there are changes. Some patient present without ECG changes also, though it is very effective test to do a troponin I. We should always go for troponin I test, because it can tell you whether the patient is having a heart attack or not. Because if there is a heart attack, ongoing heart attack, this chemical is going to get released in the blood. If the titers are increasing or high, we come to know yes, patient is suffering from heart attack and we can start treatment immediately. So coming to the point whether all the patients should undergo troponin I test or not. So it is specifically for the patients who are known case of heart diseases, like he is having a ischemic heart disease in the past, the patient who are having a history of stent in the heart, or the patient who underwent a bypass surgery, or the patient who are having unstable angina. All these patients, if they feel chest pain or discomfort, they should undergo immediately the troponin I test with the ECG in the casualty with the help of doctors, under the observation of doctors. So nowadays it is said that whether it is really necessary or not. So we generally say yes, nothing wrong in doing troponin I. At least you will spend some money, but at least we come to know early that whether you are suffering from heart attack or not. If it is positive, we can start immediately the treatment and the heart attack can be prevented. The patient can undergo immediately angioplasty or angiography, or he can go for the bypass surgery. So it is very important test to undergo, and it is very easily available everywhere. So another question comes routinely whether we should do this troponin I test. What is the other significance of that? So if the patient is having a heart attack, so we generally check the levels of troponin I, whether it is increasing or it is decreasing. Depending on that also the treatment goes on. So we generally as a cardiac specialist suggest there is no harm in undergoing a troponin I test. Only the young patients who are non-smoker, no history of any positive heart attack or any family history. So if they are feeling chest pain, so basic first do ECG, 2D echo, don't rush for troponin I only on these patients. No harm though we are going for troponin I test, but only those patients, those criteria, those are the patients in which the troponin I test is not strongly recommended. Otherwise, more than 40 years, if chest pain, we should ideally go for this. So as a cardiac specialist, I generally recommend yes, if there is significant chest pain, we should go for troponin I test. No harm in doing that. The way we do CBC, blood test, hemoglobin, X-ray, it is another test which is very easily available. So that's my recommendation.